I am Dr. Chinna Dua. I am a medical doctor residing in Delhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Chinna Dua. Why am I carrying this today? This is a contraption with which we make filter coffee. Okay, and this is a very old one which was gifted to me by my mother. So this has a lid. We open this, and in the upper compartment I put filter coffee powder, and after that I pour hot water, and over a period of few hours, because this has got small holes, the upper part, like a strainer, and the decoction keeps filtering and collects here. So that is how this filter coffee decoction is made. It is International Coffee Day today, and I decided that I must make something with coffee because I am a die-hard coffee loyalist. Though I'm not an addict, but I'm definitely a coffee loyalist, and I love anything made with coffee, be it tiramisu, be it coffee mousse, coffee candy, coffee ice cream. Today I am going to show you how to make a very easy dessert which is called 5C coffee chocolate mousse. Why 5C? One C is chinna, the second one is coffee, the third is cream, the fourth is chocolate, and the fifth is condensed milk. So let me show you how I'm going to make it. It's very easy and very tasty, and I'm going to make it in a very small amount in individuals so that it's very easy for you to multiply it by the number of containers that you want to make, or the number of portions that you want to make. Okay, so let me show you. Let's head to the kitchen. Here is a list of the ingredients. You may take a screenshot or take a printout. So here is an overview of all the ingredients that we will need to make this particular mousse. So here is milk, half cup. Next to it is chilled cream, 1/4 cup. And then is 1/3 cup of condensed milk. 3/4 tablespoon of red solar gelatin. 3 tablespoon of filter coffee or instant coffee powder decoction. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. 2 to 3 tablespoon of nuts. Roasted tastes better. These are a Tetra pack of cream and Hershey's cocoa powder. You can use any brand that you like, and there is dairy milk. I have used the 24-gram bar. White chocolate coated coffee beans. These are Copico coffee candies which you can find online, and they taste awesome. This is 3 tablespoon of water to melt the gelatin. Peeler with movable head to make chocolate curls. In case you are using nuts, the first step is to roast the nuts. So I have taken almonds and walnuts and I am roasting them. The nuts have got nicely roasted, so I am switching off the gas. Next step is to melt the gelatin on a double boiler. So I have taken water in a saucepan. I am taking 3 tablespoons of water in a pan, and now I will add the gelatin to it, which is 3/4 of a tablespoon. Okay, and then just leave it for a bit so that the gelatin swells up, and after that I'll place it on the pan which is there on the gas. Please remember that the water in the saucepan which is there on the gas should not touch the base of the pan which has gelatin in it. This is how the double boiler is created. See the pan on the saucepan. The gelatin is melting and the solution is turning turbid. I am switching off the gas now. Allow the gelatin to cool and come to room temperature. Take the chilled cream in a bowl to whip it. I am whipping it to make it a little thick. Next, I am taking milk in a saucepan. I am going to add cocoa powder to it and just mix it. Thereafter, I am going to place it on a double boiler. Just the same way like we did for gelatin, so that the cocoa and the milk get nicely mixed into a solution. Now take a look. I am going to heat the solution on a double boiler. The cocoa has nicely dissolved in the milk, and I am switching off the gas. Now I am adding the coffee decoction to it and just stir it. Now I am adding the condensed milk to it and mixing it well. The gelatin has come to room temperature, so now I am adding it. Mix it very, very well. The Cadbury Dairy Milk bar is quite soft, so I'm just adding it like that. If it is hard, just break it into pieces and add it to the solution. Stir it to mix it well. Now place the chocolate condensed milk gelatin solution in another pan and surround it with ice cubes. Keep stirring the solution and keep scraping the sides because gelatin tends to set from the sides and then it will become like sheets. So best is to keep scraping from the side and mixing the whole thing. Next step, I am crushing the coffee candy with a pestle. See how well it's got crushed. The mix has now started thickening. Now I am adding the cream which I had beaten and then kept in the freezer. Now fold the mixture to mix the cream and the rest of the ingredients. I found the mixture to be a little lumpy, so I decided to beat it on low speed. Thereafter it became really nice and smooth. You may pour the entire mixture in one bowl or you may make them into individuals like the way I am doing. In case you find the mixture too thick, you can add a little bit of milk and then beat it. I poured one layer, then I added some nuts, then I am pouring the second layer on it. A few more nuts as garnishing. Next I am adding some crushed Copico candies. You may decorate with whipped cream as well. Lastly, I am placing the chocolate coated coffee beans in the center. You may also use nutties. So our 5C mousse is ready and it looks so delectable. So friends, this International Coffee Day 2020, I showed you people how easy it is to make 5C mousse which contains coffee. Do try to make this and let me know if you encounter any problem. I'll definitely try to help you out with it, but I'm quite sure that you're not going to encounter any problem at all. And if you like this recipe, please do click on the like button, like my channel, do share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please do hit the subscribe button right now. And there is a small bell icon next to subscribe. Chinna in Tamil means small. So there is a small bell icon. You will get notifications of all my future videos if you click on the bell icon. And remember, make everything with love and serve it with love. Have a super day. Thank you so much for watching it.